Hyundai is retiring the electrified Ioniq liftback. It was presented in the version of a regular hybrid, a hybrid with the function of recharging and an electric car. The last copy of the model will roll off the assembly line of the plant in Ulsan already in July. The Hyundai Ioniq model family debuted in 2016. In 2019, it was updated, and a year later it turned out that Hyundai is separating the Ioniq into a separate brand, under which only electric cars will be produced. However, the original Ioniq was still in service. The hybrid Ioniq was equipped with a 1.6-liter diesel engine that operated according to the Atkinson cycle and a 44-horsepower electric motor. The latter was powered by a battery with a capacity of 1.56 kilowatt-hours. The PHEV version had a 61-horsepower electric motor and an 8.9 kilowatt-hour battery, while the all-electric Ioniq had a 136-horsepower electric motor and a 38.3 kilowatt-hour battery. The range of the electric car was 182 miles. But now the life cycle of the original Ioniq is coming to an end. Acceptance of orders for liftbacks has already been stopped. The model will not have a direct successor. The name Ioniq will be completely transferred to a new sub-brand of electric cars.